God says, the place I now have you is different than you expected and outside of your comfort zone. But I need you to stretch yourself and rise to the occasion in this season, because I am preparing you for the next level. The paths you walk now will prepare you for greater things. Today, ask for what you want, then surrender, let go, and allow the universe to do its job. Trust that you are covered and your situation will change. All you have to do is keep making room to receive. Your preparation will meet your opportunity very soon. The things you have been through have taken something away. You have lost some shine. You have lost some of your innocence, and along the way you have also lost you. You don't do the things you love to do. You don't get excited the way you did in the old days. But if you will take my hand, I have a plan. I am going to teach you how to war for your happiness, how to contend for your joy.